Mynaa here. So, as you can see, I am 3D. I've been searching for more platforms for you guys to start your own VTuber journey. And I came across this software called Mascoz. It's really a 3D VTuber software that you can use for free, and you can create your own character based on this preset that they have already given. Let's begin. First thing first, we need to go to studio and no customization. Here you will see your character. So they already give a lot of samples for you to follow back. Like I'm gonna they already give like character sample that you can maybe use, and you can customize it in your own way. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really cute. The characters are all cute. Oh, there's also male version. So to my male VTubers, it's okay. You can still customize your character here. There's a lot of handsome men in here. So feel free to maybe get creative how you want to customize your character more. So for example, I'm taking this character. We have a lot of eye preset. So there's this eye. Oh, that's large. I like this one more. This one looks like I'm a manhwa character. Like I'm in the shoujo manhwa, Korean manhwa. How about this eye? I'm becoming more and more mysterious, if I can say. So you can adjust your face to be more longer, more shorter. Depends on your preference. You can adjust the width, nose position, chin length, and everything. You can adjust it yourself. Eyebrows, they also give you the built-in preset. So everything that's in here is a built-in preset. You can change however you like, and that maybe you can represent this character in your stream. So how about this hair? We have hair. We have for now they have only this preset as hair. So if you want more item for your stream, you can go to more items. Select a slot. I already select. Oh, maybe no. I think I have to save first. Okay, more items. Exit. Okay, here is the hard part. We have like the built-in preset that the software already provided for us. So this side in shop, you can buy like more hairstyle, more customization that you want. But for me, this is up to you guys. If you want to buy and support the developers, you can do it. Like you can support them more by providing something like this, because I know it's hard to make a software which is entirely 100% free, and they need to always update it, you guys. So I think it's a good fair trade for them to be like, hey guys, I provided you guys with the free presets, but we also have the shop, the one that you can buy. Maybe you guys can support items. So it's entirely fine. Because if you don't want this one, they already give like the free preset that I showed you just now. So once you have customized your character the way you like it, customize, and then you can customize everything. Hair, you can change your hair, your eyes. There's a lot of built-in preset eyes that they already given, that's really generous, to be honest. So this is already built-in preset. This one, we have clothes, which is a lot, to be honest. A lot of cute clothes. Okay? You can choose anyone No, not anyone. You can choose your clothes based on your preference. So after you edit your character, you can go to studio. For example, you already saved your character, you want to go to the studio. Also, they give another free preset, which is the background. This background is free. You can use it. For example, I pick maybe this background. Maybe guys like background like this. So I will choose a frame. Something like this. See? It's already like a streamer setup. A free streamer setup. And maybe... Oh, no. You want this? See? It's already like a full complete setup, you guys. It's just you need to know how to mix and match it and how to utilize it fully to the max. So when you go to camera, is it camera? Is it tracking? You go to tracking, face tracking. I can't show you how to hand track because I don't have another hand tracking camera for me to show you guys. But you can use, for example, if you don't have your webcam, you can use iOS camera or Android camera. But right now I don't have, my camera is not that good, so I'm using my own camera. So wait it to connect, and here you go. Your character is already moving. Wow. So look, I'm a really cute, handsome cat boy. You know? Look. I really like it. So you can start your own journey by maybe utilizing everything that they give you. Everything. And you can go live here. You can go live here by already connecting your OBS, connecting to this Mascoz, and then select which streaming platform that you want to stream. Right now they don't have Twitch. Maybe you can place the Twitch URL here. So, and then after that you can go live for free, guys. For free. It's free actually. It's really free. The one that you want customization, this one you have to buy. Like something like this. Oh, there's a maid outfit. Oh my god, there's a maid outfit. So this one, something like this. Oh, this is cute. So yeah, that's all for my tutorial. So I guess good luck to your journey, and don't blame the developers if their software is not entirely free. Okay, like they already provided the platform is free, and there's already customization sample that you can use and maybe mix and match the way you like. So I think it's entirely fair for them to have their credits also. So thank you, shout out to the developers for providing us a really good software so that we can become 3D models now, 3D avatars, 3D VTubers. And yeah, now you can see Mynaa in 3D maybe. Let me try. Wait. For some reason, I like this character. For some reason, it moves the way I want it. But it's just that the mouth, the mouth is so big. I don't know how to adjust that for now. Cute, right? Cute Mynaa. But it's not the OG Mynaa. It's not the black hair Mynaa. Maybe I should change. Should I change? Should I change my character, guys? Feel free to say it in the comments. Maybe I should change to 3D. But bear in mind, it won't be the same Mynaa, you know. I will try using the free preset. So thank you all. Goodbye.